Hello, in front of me I've got Character Creator, in Front and Liberty. In this video I'll show you all possible presets and individual parts of body and face we can change. In the beginning, before we can select each type of body and face, we have to select gender. We can select between man and woman. Unfortunately, we can select only for human. For now, there are no other races to select. So let's start with appearance settings. Here we can select face presets, eyes individually, eyebrows, nose, mouth, ears, makeup, hair and beard, body and costumes. Also, we've got access to more detailed settings like height, length, protrusion, lip angle and more for each thing we have to select. Next, we can change height of our character and its body type between slim and bulky. In the end, we can select costumes. Next, we can change body type, but it will erase our progress. Then we can select randomize appearance, designer presets, and then we can share our appearance. In the end, we can change posture of our character. Last thing we can select is our progress up to date that we can reset or just simply select previous. And that's basically it for the character of the game, character creation of the game. As you can see, it's very detailed and kind of professional. We can select many things and adjust ourselves to our needs. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.